It's not like any regular networking event. It's very purposeful.
I've been going to conferences in my field for a decade and a half, and I've grown more in the last year since I came to this conference than at any of the other conferences that I've been to.
Everybody is so kind and excited, and everyone's doing really big and exciting things, and so it's hard not to catch that excitement when you're at the event.
Your goal while you're here is to gain a breakthrough moment.
But I was really impressed, not only with the venue, but the presentation today. I thought that it had a really good flow to it. It was very uplifting, and the speakers were fantastic.
My favorite part was when Megan made me cry, which is always a good thing because cries mean breakthroughs. But I also just love how incredibly safe this room feels, this room of people. It's not even just women.
And so I tell this cautionary tale so that what we can do today is start to really expand our house so that when you get the success, it will just flow in and it'll be beautiful and you'll just be enjoying your lake house. Would that be good? Yes, okay.
Tess broke down money like I had never heard it before. I just became excited that I could possibly build a future for myself in just a short period of time.
So you have two choices. You can stay exactly where you are or you can do something different. My hope is that you do something different because when you start to take action, things that seemed impossible become possible.
Liz really cultivates a really safe, crazy, loving community, and that's why I think what makes it so epic.
Love her heart, and you can tell that she's in this honestly, not for herself at all, but just for others around her to just help people become the best versions of themselves. And I don't know how you can't not love that.
Everything you need is already in you. It's a matter of unlocking that. Everyone's probably experienced a point in their life where things were happening so, it's literally lined up like magic, right? You're like, look at all these synchronicities. So just remember, the flow that you're looking for, this ease that you're looking for, it does take time to build, and the magic is in the mundane.
That's the way you manifest. Y'all, you're trying to say, oh, when I get this, I'm going to be. You're always going to be if you don't declare that you are. You've got to bring the future and make it now. And if you're not doing that, the things that you're manifesting isn't going to come to pass.
I feel elevated, inspired. I'm ready to take on the world, man. Let's go.
I feel so inspired. I have been elevated since last year, and I am re-inspired, and let's go do this.
I feel elevated, inspired for sure.
Yes, I'm feeling elevated and inspired 100%.